What's up, muchachos? Today, we're unboxing El Grande Americano, Street Fighter, and Fig Hunting for Bargains. It's Chase Aloha on Super Rad Wrestling Figures.
History beckons the macho man, yeah. 24 fighters in all the WrestleMania, and here we are, Gorilla.
It's time to set you free, El Grande Americano, from the Gulf of America. After being blackballed by his enemies, the legendary luchador returned to bring honor and glory back to Lucha Libre at WrestleMania 41. It's El Grande's first time in the line, and he's made it to Series 126 and Mattel's Elite Collection. Definitely looking pretty sleek. There goes the first cuff. Uno. And the second. Dos. Undertaker sit up. And we're breaking out. I have been mad excited about this unboxing. Look at that mask detail. He is rocking his WrestleMania 41 gear. I will admit I do prefer the gear that he wore later, which was more stars and stripes. Went with the American made, but I get it. Hopefully there'll be more. And there he is, the Lucha Hero. Not too loose out of the box. All the dexterity and the joints that you would expect from a Mattel Elite series. Thank you. Gracias. After a long day at work, some retail therapy. A wasteland. What a bummer. But suddenly, this clerk, this angel, put this on the peg. John Cena. Cena's farewell tour shirt from Glasgow. Mattel Elite Top Picks. The last real champion. And that angel, she came back with more gifts. Mr. Fuji, Demolition's manager, Powers of Pain. Oh yeah. Jesse the Body Ventura. Surprise, surprise. Roman Reigns, head of the table, the OTC. I am definitely digging that new head scan. A lot different than the most recent Elites.
Roman Reigns versus Seth Rollins. Ever devised Hell in a Cell.
Wow, even cheaper than last week. I'll take 2, please. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Street Fighter. That's right, we've got John Cena and Dave Bautista. Here we have West Newbury, Massachusetts' very own Asguile. Let's take a look. And out the box, already noticed he comes with 5 hands, 2 fists, 2 open, not including the ones actually he has. And let's fix your shades. Looking cool, John. I love the collabs, just like the Ninja Turtles. This is super rad cool. And I'm looking forward to Cody playing Guile in the movie. Bautista as Sagat. I'm definitely interested in this one. Let's see what we got. Right out the box, you get another set of hands, and goodness gracious, great balls of fire. 2 fireballs. Dope as Dave looking killer. That man is shooting fireballs. And these 3 amigos are free from their cardboard prisons. Here we have absolute Ricky Starks. And what do we have here? Cody Rhodes on card. I totally prefer elites, but with a basic like this, sneaky Wayne Gacy, Wyatt 6 member. I already have one, but let's have twins. Thank you. These 2 are new on card. Sheamus and Chad Gable. Fella. Took a trip down south, found this store with a bigger selection. The tribal chief isn't hiding here. Jake the Snake Roberts. The Hot Rod, Roddy Piper. And The Rock. Okay, I really like this one. And definitely going in the basket. The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. What a Hollywood star. He's everywhere. Just a few things from Ross, but take a look at this. Wow. WrestleMania 3.
What you gonna do, Andre the Giant?
Oh my GAWD. Wow. Look at this fine. I am taking them all. And the wicked awesome pick, Colorado, Adam Cole. This is like those Russian dolls, the babushka dolls. This was not easy to find, but it's from the Vault, Ring of Honor, and one of 4,000. Boom, Adam Cole, baby. Before I go home, one more stop. I got these championships, the World Championship and the Winged Eagle. Rey Mysterio in this Eddie Guerrero Lucha Lowrider inspired ride. Look at this fire. And it comes with a basic and a steel cage. See you next week. Same rad time, same rad channel.
You are cursed.
And remember, they're not dolls, they're action figures. Hasta la vista, baby.